G'day everyone, Steve here again, Grays Marine and Welding. As you can see, I've got my new shed. We're obviously grown a little bit last time you seen us. Got a bit of bait and tackle, everything, chandlery, hire boats. And yeah, pop in, have a look, see what you reckon. Morning, Stevyn Gray here from Grays Marine and Welding. Obviously, as you can see, we're building boats here. We've been dealing with CNC for the last 4 years, working with the team. You've last probably seen us be 2 years ago on the last video clip we done at the old shed. As you can see, we're in our new shed now. We last done the video on the 5 weeks, the green centre console. We thought it'd be about time to do an update on what we're doing now. As you can see, the business is all grown in the new shed. Everything seems to be rolling nicely. I got into boat building, I'm going to say about 6 years ago, when I went and done a little bit of time with the Formosa up in Brisbane. It was only a fill-in job, but it's just when I really realised that I enjoyed building the boats. I always liked boats, but yeah, that's the one that set it off for me, working with the team up there. So we thought we'd come down here and start our own legacy up, really. So we started off obviously in the 6-1 centre console, kicked everything off. Then we done a couple of 6-1 walk-arounds, a few 3-7 car toppers. We done a couple of 6-1 hard tops, and then all the boat builds just started to creep up in size. So the last couple of years, the 6-5 hard top offshore has been the main boat of the lot. A lot of custom stuff like changing dashes, transom layouts and whatnot. There's a few new ones coming up, obviously. CNC just released a whole new range of boats. We've got a 65-10 walk around down the back at the moment that we've just started. But other than that, like, we've been pushing a few boats out a year. As you can see in the background there, we've got the GM86 in the progress at the moment. It's been a slow build, but we are getting there on it. Then we're on this side here, we've got the GM68. Obviously it's for marine rescue, as you can see. It's been a very interesting build, a bit more into it, a bit heavier sort of a boat, but very nice boat in the same token. We've come a long way, as you all can see on social media pages and that. We've now, obviously in the new shed, a lot more space, got overhead crane, makes life a lot easier. Got a few more workers helping me out. We've got a showroom out the front, bait and tackle, bit of a chandlery store as well. We've got the hire boats now, we've got the 3-7s, we've got 4 of them. Plus, with the higher range of things, we're looking into sort of going along the pontoon side of things, getting a couple of Barbie boats happening that's still trailable. Even a couple of sort of offshore boats that you can take offshore, something around that 5 metre mark and upwards, just to spread the range a bit, because a lot of people would like to go out shore fishing. But yeah, there's nowhere to sort of stop there. Like, we can keep it going depending on how business rolls, but we would like to spread the range of boats through, so people got more of a chance of doing what they want to do. If you come in and hire a boat or anything like that, you've got the option of towing it yourself, or we're more than happy to tow it down the boat ramp and put it in for you. as you can see on our website, there is no limit where you can and can't go with these boats. So you can tow them wherever you want. If you'd like, you can tow it around Australia. And there's no time limit how long you can have them for or whatnot. So we've done it this way. As you probably all know, there is hire boats in these local areas. So we've just spread the wings a bit, just give them a bit more of a chance to go further up rivers and a bit more exploring. But yeah, it's just, don't be scared to come in and see us. If you don't have a tow ball, we can sort it out. But if you're sort of chasing a boat in the CNC range, we've always got all different sorts of boats here. There's normally a couple of them that are going, then we can take you out for a quick test run. Like for example, the 3.7, the hire boats, like if you're chasing like a little tinny like that, you can always jump in it, go for a run. Or even that, like we've always got a boat very close by that we probably can get hold of and take you out for a run, just show you through them. Plus all the builds that are going on in the shed all the time. You can walk through and have a look. So, end of the day, if I stayed in the last shed I was in, it was only a little shed, it was 9 by 10, I would not have got this far. Just having this bigger shed, like it was a big risk at the start. We're all pretty nervous about it. But to ramp it up to this next scale, I don't think you'd get, I wouldn't say you couldn't do it, but doing these bigger boats, you wouldn't get them in the shed for starters. You wouldn't even get them out of the shed without taking the shed to pieces. So we've come into this one, it's got the overhead crane and that. It just makes life a lot easier, a bit safer. Yeah, so we ramped it up to the next level and I dare say we'll ramp it up again yet. So yeah, end of the day, the risk was worth it. Obviously you got a lot more overheads, it just means you just got to push out a couple extra boats a year to cover that, but it's all working out well at this stage and very thankful to everyone that's been supporting us. And yeah, so like we're doing quotes all over the country, like we get some from WA, Northern Territory, all that sort of stuff. I think CNC is a big role in this. So obviously a customer will be talking to CNC and they throw them to us, sort of thing, give them our details and that, and they'll give us a call, which is great. CNCs have been a big help for it. So yeah, CNC boats, they're really good to build, very straightforward sort of boat, strong. All the boats are very similar under hull. Obviously you get a lot of custom stuff, well I do anyway, but you don't have to relearn every boat to build it. So once you build a few of them, you sort of know where everything starts to go. They're a very easy boat to build by yourself. Plus if you do run into trouble, you give CNC a quick call and they're more than happy to help you out straight away. If you ever run in trouble, like we're only a phone call away, we're more than happy to help out as well. Plus CNC, jump on Facebook and that, on the Facebook page, CNC and our page, you'll see a lot of stuff that might help you out as well. So yeah, my favourite build so far would be probably this Marine Rescue. Just for sort of open the whole new level of things. A little bit more into the survey side of things, a bit more. Like we've done exemption 40s before. This next level of survey was a little bit tougher. I learned a lot more stuff. Like CNC helped us out through a lot of it. Didn't know a lot of things, and yeah, we got our surveyor, he comes up, popped in a fair bit, give us a hand, which was great. But yeah, it's just been a very interesting build right through, and just to see the end product is really good. We do a wide range of stuff. So obviously, as you see on our social media side, we do all custom built trailers for our boats as well. We've just released the 2 GM series, plus all the CNC boats, like they've got a massive range on their page of what sort of boats there is. So it goes from the 2.8 car topper, I think they go right up to a 13 metre barge sort of thing, like work boats and all that sort of stuff. There's a massive range of boats we can go through. Like, we're not scared to have a go at any of them. But yeah, it's been great. So, end of the day, my dream boat, this GM 68 here, the rescue boat. Just love the streamline of it, the actual hull lines. It's 19-degree dead rise in it, big fuel, so it's got 400 litres of fuel. It's fully lock-up cab, which is optional. You can leave back wall out if you wanted, but my dream boat, like, I don't think I'd change too much in it. Nice heavy boat, which obviously affects towing on the road on some people, but I'd be fine with that. It rides unreal. We've done a couple of sea trials in it now, and yeah, it's just rides unreal and very nice looking boat, plenty of deck space. So it's sort of a multi-purpose sort of a boat, to be honest. So future plans is to take the whole shed and just have a big range of boats going at once. Just have like a production line going. So from start to complete fit out, everything, just a finished product so the customer can wheel in and pick his boat up and go straight on the water.